What is the theme of 13th edition of Earth Hour 2019? And the answer is Connect to Earth. Who unveils India's first AI-enabled e-motorcycle brand? And the answer is Rahul Sharma. First Indian who has to be elected as a member of FIFA Executive Council. And the answer is Praful Patel. Amazon India launched a new seller funding program to help the small businesses and entrepreneurs to raise funds through the crowdfunding platform. It was named as, and the answer is Amazon Wings. Recently, this country evacuates peacekeeping CRPF contingent from Libya, and the answer is India. Which Indian state celebrated the 75th anniversary of the Battle of Kohima? And the answer is Nagaland. National Thermal Power Corporation had signed a term loan agreement of Rs 2,000 crores with which of the following bank? And the answer is Canara Bank. India had successfully test-fired first indigenously designed and developed long-range subsonic cruise missile in Odisha. The name of the missile is, and the answer is Nirbhay. Who became the first Indian to be appointed Chair of International Hockey Federation Health and Safety Committee? And the answer is Vibhu Kalyan Nayak. Which state celebrated the Rongoli Bihu festival? And the answer is Assam. Who is appointed as first women Vice Chancellor of the National Institute of Education Planning and Administration? And the answer is Najma Akhtar. When was the International Day of Human Spaceflight observed? And the answer is 12th April. Recently, Kazakhstan renamed its capital Astana as, and the answer is Nur-Sultan. Name the Indian origin politician who created history in the House of Commons of Canada as the first non-white leader of major opposition party in the country. And the answer is Jagmeet Singh. This state assembly passed a Maintenance of Household Registers Bill 2019 to detect illegal foreigners. And the answer is Mizoram. When do the President addresses both the Houses of Parliament assembled together? And the answer is first session after each general election and the first session of each year. The minimum age to qualify for election to the Lok Sabha is, and the answer is 25 years. European Parliament has banned single-use plastic. It will be effective from which year? And the answer is 2021. Watch our other videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We will answer it in next Q&A video. Please support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.